On this channel, I upload English listening videos for different levels every day. You can improve your English by listening. If you're ready, let's begin. Mina lived in a small town near the sea. She worked in a coffee shop on Main Street. She liked her job because she met many people every day. On Saturday mornings, the shop was always busy, but Mina usually felt happy. That day was special because it was her brother Sammy's birthday. Sammy turned 8, and Mina wanted to surprise him with a chocolate cake after work. Mina woke up early and felt excited. She made a list: buy a cake, buy candles, and go home before 6 o'clock. She wanted everything to be perfect. Sammy loved chocolate, and he also loved small red candles. Mina smiled when she thought about his face. After her morning shift, Mina went to a bakery near the bus station. The bakery smelled sweet, and the cakes looked beautiful. Mina chose a round chocolate cake with strawberries on top. She also bought a pack of red candles. The baker put the cake in a white box and tied it with a blue ribbon. Mina carried it carefully and walked to the bus stop. The bus arrived, and Mina got on. She found a seat and put the cake box on her lap. The bus was crowded, so she held the box with both hands. She felt tired but happy. After 10 minutes, her phone rang. It was her mother. "Hi, Mina," her mother said. "Can you stop at the store? We need juice and bread." Mina answered, "Yes, I can. I have the cake. I will come soon." When Mina finished the call, the bus stopped suddenly. People moved and pushed a little. Mina held the cake box tighter. She looked out the window because she wanted to see the store. Then the bus stopped again, and it was her stop. Mina stood up fast because she did not want to miss it. She walked off the bus and started to cross the street. After a few steps, Mina looked down. Her hands were empty. The cake was not there. Her stomach felt cold, and her face got hot. She stopped and tried to remember. She carried the box on the bus. She talked on the phone. She stood up quickly. Mina whispered, "Oh no." She felt nervous because Sammy's party started in 2 hours, and she did not have time to buy another cake. Mina ran back to the bus stop, but the bus already left. She did not know what to do. Then she saw a man in a green jacket. He waved and walked toward her. "Excuse me," he said. "Did you forget this?" He held the white cake box with the blue ribbon. Mina's eyes got big. "Yes, thank you so much," she said. "I left it on the seat." The man nodded. "I saw you hurry, so I took it. I am glad I found you." Mina smiled and felt relief. "You saved my day," she said. "My brother will be very happy." Later, Mina bought the juice and bread, and she arrived home before 6 o'clock. When Sammy saw the cake, he shouted, "Wow!" Mina lit the red candles, and everyone sang. Mina looked at the cake, and then at Sammy. She felt proud because the surprise was still perfect. Thank you for listening and practicing English with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.